Protect your valuable electronic devices the smart way and clean your power supply at the same time. Our filter provides protection against lightning, switching electromagnetic pulse, and electrostatic discharge. What is more, it filters electromagnetic interference as described in EMC norms. I'm going to tell you more about electromagnetic interference and then show you how our power filter works. All electronic devices emit electromagnetic radiation. Switched mode power supplies used with most modern household appliances being one of the worst. The radiation or interference produced is transmitted to your home devices through the power grid, which is common for many households. The EMC Standard divides devices into defined groups and prescribes boundaries for their emissions, susceptibility and immunity. According to this standard, sources of electromagnetic interference are divided into fast transient bursts, fast transient surges, high-frequency electromagnetic noise, and external electromagnetic fields, which include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, radio frequencies, mobile phone signals, and other sources. Our filter has been tested according to EU standard tests for all the aforementioned sources. So how does our filter work? To allow for proper overvoltage protection, 3 stages of filtering, with at least 10 meters of cable between each, are a standard, as each stage has to work with the kind of discharge it is constructed for. Our filter has all 3 stages, and there are inductors between each so that you get proper protection in one capsule. The first group of components forms a gross overvoltage protection. To stop the upsurge in voltage, which is as high as 1000 volts per microsecond, there are 2 inductors and 3 noble gas-filled lightning arresters. The second part provides fine overvoltage protection. A set of 3 fast and robust metal oxide varistors suppress the leading edge of overvoltage and the burst high-frequency overvoltage, which are not filtered out in the first part. The varistors are supplemented with inductors, which apart from making everything work, also suppress asymmetric components of electromagnetic interference and reduce the surge current impact. The third part reduces symmetric interference produced by most switch-mode power supplies. It consists of a current-compensated choke coil with a special iron powder core allowing for the required operating range, and a set of capacitors. The components in this part form a balanced LC filter. This part also deals with high-frequency interference in the power grid. The last group of very fast metal oxide varistors forms a very fine surge protection, reducing any residual overvoltage. The whole body of the filter is shielded for protection against any external electromagnetic fields. The cable of the filter is a very strong conductor made of high-quality OFC copper, again with high-quality shielding. Combining the parts described before, we have created a very versatile power filter with overvoltage protection.